Hello student, it is the continuation of the page number 5. A reading lesson attitude is altitude. The sixth video of this lesson. And once I was in a car and a girl at traffic lights was looking at me interestingly. She could only see my head, so I decided to do the 360-degree spin at the car seat to freak her out. It is the idioms. Her face was like, wow, what is going on? She speed up means run away really quickly. Now, Nick was telling one more story. One time, he was going by a car in a traffic light. When car stopped, one girl was giving in eyed, means looking at someone in that way that communicates romantic interest. And Nick told her, Nick, she could only see, because she could only see the head of Nick. And that is why Nick decided to turn the 360 at the seat of the car. And after that, he had taken a spin. And after that, why? To make her surprise how one normal person can take a turn like a circle in the seat of the car. After seeing what he is telling, her face was like a wow, showing surprise. What is going on? Nick was feeling some romantic after seeing that. Some good feelings was there in Nick after seeing that girl. She speed up really quickly. After Nick, to make her surprise, Nick had taken the turn, spin taken in the seat of the car. After seeing that, she speed up, ran from there fastly, quickly. Nick began traveling the world, and in the 2008 he went to the Hawaii. Hawaii is the state of USA, and it is located in the Pacific Ocean. It is the only island. Hawaii is only a one island in the USA, United States of America, and met surfing master Bethany Hamilton, who had a arm beaten off. Beaten means cut off, and you can say this taken away by the teeth of shark, by a shark when she was 12. When he went there in USA, a one island, Hawaii, he met a surfing master who was the master of surfing, that girl Bethany Hamilton. She was also a disabled person. When she was only 12 years, her arm was seized or taken away with teeth by a shark cut. And after that, she became a surfing master. She was amazing. Amazing means like this pleasant personality who have so many obstacles in life, but she was living in positive way. She was amazing, said Nick. She taught me how to surf, and I was terrified, means frightened at the first. But once I got up there is felt absolutely fantastic, means excellent. Absolutely means completely. And I caught some way pretty well, means nice manners. What he is telling, Nick learn otherwise you can say Bethany Hamilton taught the Nick surfing, and before Nick was very afraid, and he was thinking I couldn't able to do, but after that he tried and he can able to ride in good manners on the wave with the surfboard. He can able to do. After that Nick quickly learn how to do 360-degree spin on his board. Up now before that, even Bethany Hamilton also, she can only ride on the wave, but Nick would able to do the 360 means spin on the wave. And a feast means event, that got him on the cover of Surfer magazine within 48 hours. No one has ever done that in the history of surfing, he said. Now, only after learning only 48 hours, he was the cover page. Nick photo was on the cover page. Made a record for take a 360 spin on the wave. No one did before that. Only after learning the 48 hours, and he got place in the surfing magazine. His picture taken place in the surfing magazine, printed on that. What Nick made the record of surfing, she could able to do the 360-degree on the wave. Before that no one had able to do that, but Nick told how he able to do that, because he has a very low center of gravity. Because of low center of gravity, he could able to balance the surfing board nicely and ride on the wave the balance fully, and able to made the 360 spin on the wave.